Alright, welcome my trader friends on our next video tutorial. So for this video, we will be discussing regarding the sort function of the list. So here we will be focusing more on how we sort items in our list on ascending and of course in descending order. So without further ado, let's start our video tutorial. Sorting a list. We can sort the items while inside a list by using the sort method of the Python programming. So simply, the syntax of this sort method is just write the list variable name followed by a dot and by the name in lowercase, which is sort, then open and close parentheses, reverse. So reverse equals true or false. So here, reverse equals true or false. Reverse actually specifies if what type of sorting we will do on our code. If it is true, it is actually saying that it is descending. And if it is false, if you write there false, it is for ascending. So don't forget that, my friends. Again, reverse equals true if you want it to be arranged in descending order, and reverse equals false if you wanted to arrange in ascending order. Okay, so for our task, we should now sort the technical indicators list ascending and descending. Okay, so please open your Anaconda, click Jupyter Notebook, and let's start coding. Okay, so here we are on our Jupyter Notebook. Let's write our title first as sorting a list. Okay, so sort method. Okay, so mark down and sorry, this must have a space and run. Okay, so we have now our title. What we will going to sort is our technical indicators list. So let's copy this. By the way, you are seeing right now the codes above the sorting a list title is our previous coding on our previous video tutorial. So on that video, actually, we used the function insert. Anyway, so for this video, let's sort technical indicators dot sort. Then we should, based on our task, we should sort first ascending. Okay, so ascending, meaning to say, we will be having here reverse equals, since we are ascending, this must be false. Okay, so take note, guys, Python is case sensitive. So the letter F or the letter T, if that is true, must be big letter, capitalized. Okay, so let's now have a print function here. So print technical indicators. So let's run the code. Okay, so as you can see here, it is now sorted in ascending order. So average, true range, Bollinger Bands, commodity, channel index, and the 5 DMI. If you already watched our video tutorial before this video, our tutorial regarding the insert method, here you will know there the reason why we have 5 DMIs. And followed by exponential moving average and up to the Williams R. So it is now arranged in an ascending order using the false. So let's copy all of this, then paste on our next cell. Then let's change the false into true for it to become descending order. Okay, so let's run this. And as you can see, the Williams %R now, which is the last item on our false, for now, since we use the true, it is now actually the first item. And the last item now is the average true range. Okay, so that basically how this sort method is working, my friends, and I hope you learned something from this video. This is just a very short tutorial, and again, this is the Engineer Trader, your partner from learning to earning. Don't forget to join our community. All of the links are in the video description below. Okay, as always, may your trades be great. Bye-bye.